Good day. Today we are going to look at three options under the system functions. The first one is maintenance, followed by export and import. The maintenance function will compact your database. It will remove all the old deleted entries and make the database a little bit smaller, a little bit quicker, and a little bit more efficient. We recommend that you do this maybe once a week. It is a very simple process. You select maintenance. The system says, I'm about to compact your database. You say that's okay. System goes away and does what it has to do and recreate the folders, rebuild everything, and then will return with a message that says, well, it's all done. What do you want me to do now? It is important to clear the database from time to time because the old records that are deleted are still taking up space in your system. So it says database maintenance is completed, and that's the end of that. So a very easy and simple function. Export. You can export any folders from your system. I will go and pick two over here just at random, and I will say export them. It'll ask me where I want to export them to. It automatically names the file, and I will say save that one. It will go away and save it, and then come back and say, well, there's the next one you wanted. You want to save it? And I say yes. It goes away and it saves that one, and then the job is done. When you export a folder, it will not export any files that you have attached via things such as a URL. A URL is a pointer, so you can point it at, let's say, a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet. When it exports, it will retain all those links that you've put in, but it obviously can't go through your system and pull out every single attachment that you have attached to it. On the import side is, again, very simple and straightforward. You can see there are the two that I have exported. I will go and select bills and say open it. The system comes back and it says, well, you've already got one. In fact, I've imported it previously. So it comes back and it numbers it. And it says, okay, I'm going to call this bills 2 unless you give me another name, and there's the abbreviation I'm going to use. But here's an interesting other option. You can say, I want to add the folder content to another folder. So instead of creating a brand new one, you can simply take information from one folder and import all of it directly into another folder. I will just say leave it as it is, import a new one. The system will go away and do that. It does a fair bit of work at this point, recreating everything, and it says done. If I now had to go and look, there will be 2 bill folders in the system. It is a useful way to share information with other Better Plan users. Also a way in which sometimes one can store information that you're not too sure whether you want to archive it and keep it, but it's a simple way to do it. There you've got maintenance, import, and export. Have a lovely day. But goodbye.